Hey everybody, my name is Ethen Ostroff. Today we're going to talk about a very difficult, touchy subject of the law, medical malpractice. Before I get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. I'm not going to get into hyper technicals. I'm not going to get into deep case types within the medical malpractice type. The one thing I want to start with on this area, nobody likes or wants to sue their doctor. I'm going to repeat that. Nobody likes or wants to sue their doctor. It's not a fun scenario. It's not something that people are looking at to grab money. Nobody wants to go through a medical malpractice because here's the thing. If you aren't hurt enough where just because there was something that was a mistake that was done to you, if you're not hurt enough by, having a leg get amputated, having an arm get amputated, dying, having a serious issue that violates what's called the standard of care, which basically means that a reasonable doctor would not have done or not done what they should have done, which is what happened to you. Medical malpractice cases are only able to be taken by lawyers if the damages are extensive enough. The reason why, they need to hire a doctor to testify in your case that what happened to you violates the standard of care for doctors. It's a very expensive kind of case to put on. So if you have a medical malpractice case, that means that something really messed up happened to you. And I'm going to repeat this. Nobody likes or wants to sue their doctors. Doctors are heroes. Doctors have gotten us through the pandemic. They've gotten us through serious times in our history, sickness, pandemics, epidemics. Whether you're sick or ill or hurt, you go to a doctor. Nobody wants to sue their doctor. Sometimes you need to sue your doctor if what happened to you was so egregious that it violates the standard of care. Whether people like or want to sue their doctor, that doesn't matter when it comes to the law. The law states that if a doctor violates the standard of care and you were hurt, that means that a doctor should or shouldn't have done what they did, and a reasonable doctor wouldn't have done that, then you are entitled to compensation under the law. What does that mean for you? That means that if a doctor did something so bad to you that you do want to ask questions and see whether what you're going through was preventable or not, and a law firm takes your case, that usually means you're really, really hurt. So I'm sorry if you're going through something like that. But if you have questions about your medical malpractice situation, it's okay to talk to a lawyer, because when you talk to a personal injury lawyer, it's totally free unless they get you paid. And to be completely transparent, 99 out of 100 times that I get contacted for a medical malpractice case, it's not a case. The reason why, typically damages aren't extensive enough, or there just isn't a way to prove that that doctor violated the standard of care. So if you have questions about this, my information is below. I'd be happy to hop on a call with you, see whether you have a medical malpractice case. But to be completely honest with you, most cases are not a case, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't talk to a lawyer about it. Thanks so much.